If you're trying to upgrade your kitchen or your bathroom countertops on a budget and you're wondering, does this Giani countertop transformation kit, does it really work and does it hold up over time? That's what I want to show you in this video. I want to show you our kitchen countertops after about a year and a half of us having them and having everyday wear and tear and just a family of 4 using them day in and day out. I want to show you the results of that, and I hope it can help you in making your decision on if it's right for you or not. So here are 3 things that I had questions about when I started looking into buying this paint kit. You know, it looked so easy to do and I was amazed, I was blown away by the results of it. I had 3 questions that were the biggies for me. And the 3 things that I wondered about was, 1, I wondered, does it yellow? I was looking at the white, like marble countertop, and I wondered, you know, over time, does it yellow? And I had seen questions of people asking, you know, where the sun comes in on it, does it yellow over time? And I'm here to tell you, it's been a year and a half and ours has not yellowed at all. It's still bright white, just like it was when we painted it. It has really been good. The second thing I had, this was kind of a biggie to me, was does it stain? You know, I could just see like spaghetti sauce getting on it or blueberries getting on it, and you know, did it stain after a while because it's white? And so I wondered, does it stain? And after a year and a half, we have no stains on ours. We you know, we try to take care of it. We, you know, if something gets on it, we do go ahead and wipe it off. You know, I don't leave it overnight, you know, and we haven't had any stains on ours at all. It's still white, it's still perfect. And so, you know, the staining process, 0 for us, so that was a thumbs up for us as well. And hey, if you like this video, would you give us a thumbs up? It just helps us out. And if you have a comment of something that maybe you have questions about it and you're wondering and you can't find answers to it, you know, if you'll leave us a comment, we don't mind getting back with you. If we know the answer, we'll try to help you out too. Like, point 3 is, this was the biggest of all of them to me, was I wondered, did it chip? After a while, I'm like, it's just paint, you know, does it chip over time? So my answer to that is yes and no. I cook right here all the time. This is my main place where I cook, and you can see there are no chips. There's nothing, there is some dirt on it, I just felt it, but there's no chips or anything right here. My son was cutting with a butter knife down on something, and it went too hard, and it did make a little bitty, like, little place, but honestly, I think it must have just chipped the epoxy and it didn't chip the paint, because you can't even tell. Like, I can't even find it right now trying to show you. So it has been great right here where I cook all the time. I mean, I cook all the time, and I have a habit of leaning up against this, and I'm cooking, I'm going back and forth like this. So right here, there is a little bit, you can see a little bit of where it has chipped off. And I just went and I had some of my white paint still left. I just held on to it after we did it. I put it up in a cabinet. And so whenever I have a little chip like that or something, I just go grab my paint, give me a little paintbrush, and just barely paint those areas a little bit, and it totally covers over it, and you never know the difference. All in all, it has been awesome. I would absolutely do it again. If somebody asked me, is it worth it? Would you do it again? I would 2 thumbs up do it again. I really would. But look, I always try to tell you, don't just take my word for it. Go ahead, I'll leave a link in the description below to Amazon. You can go there. I think it has like a 4.5 star review on the product and everything. You can go there and read through people's what they've said, their comments about it and everything. So just, you can click on that, go there, and you can read other people's comments on what they say too. But anyway, I hope this helped you. I hope it made you want to go and buy it and jump in and do it. So have a great day.